Well, there it is, my setup. I have not shot anything with it yet, so we'll have to wait and see. And of course, to top that all off, we have a 34, which should be really fun to shoot. Hopefully one of these, maybe this coming Sunday or maybe tomorrow night, I'll get down to an indoor match and I'll try not to embarrass myself. But there it is, Gen 4 Glock 34, and of course there's Safariland mag holders. I believe that's a Scorpion belt, and my holster. So there it is, and if anybody has any questions or comments that they would like to put in there, I sure would like to hear them. Thank you much.